Okay, guys. So the pieces of paint, hard paint that were in that, I had to scrape that. I'm gonna do something with that, I don't know yet, but I just started with a new canvas. So no dried result. As it dried, it just got worse. This is a 10 by 20, same size, but it's gallery wrapped, level 3. I have taped the back, and we're just going to start this over. I did mix some white. It's Amsterdam titanium white. I got you close enough. As close as I can get you, I think. And we're just going to do this again. So 2 for 1. Yeah, you're good. Okay. And I just mixed this, so we will see. I'll have bubbles in it, but it doesn't have anything in it, so. And maybe we won't get all that lacing that we had in the other. Alrighty, so let's lay these down and try this little hair dryer again. This time we're going to use the pale green on the bottom. And I'm still using these stir sticks by Tracy Reed Designs Art. And I'm using the phthalo green on top of that. The aqua blue. Silver in. That is the Atelier silver. And this is that Prussian blue. This is the aqua. Okay. Torch that. Silver is so pretty. You should not have very many bubbles. They've been sitting here for a while. Okay, now we're just going to blow this out and hopefully get something nice. We have a little more paint on it than last time, so we'll see what this little hair dryer does. I'm not turning on. There we go. Okay, let's do it, guys. That's pretty. And the more paint helped, and that white helped. I don't have all those cells eating it up. It looks really nice. I love it. I want to fan out the details a little bit on the edges, and I think, oh, I see a little spot I want to fix. Hold on a second. Okay, I really love this. I love that there's more blue on top than there was. Alright guys, looks good. I'm going to get these edges first. Really turned out pretty. I love this silver. I'm wondering if I can get this to go all the way over like this. Okay, I just had a little too much paint in there. That's better. That's really pretty, 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 pretty. Very pretty, guys, very pretty. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. As always, I'm trying to grow my channel, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Trying my best to do a lot of cool stuff, so I appreciate you guys being here and taking time out of your day to join me. Very pretty. Get you down for a close-up. Okay guys, here it is. Oh, it's pretty. I love how those colors just fanned out in the middle. I love those two little lines right there. It's not as green as it was before because I did kind of put the colors on differently, and that just goes to show you that layering your paints use the same paints and just layer them differently to get the different kind of results. So it's very pretty. I will let you guys go and let you see it when it dries. Thanks for being here. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. It's Angela Bliss with the dried results. This turned out so beautiful. I just love it. I don't do a whole lot of Dutch pours, but when I do, I never get good results ever. But, you know, a lot of people say that even if you don't like something, someone else is going to love it. So, I try to do my best to keep a lot of the pours that I don't necessarily like. But this one, on the other hand, is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to bring you guys in for some details. Hopefully I can get it close enough to the camera. So bear with me. See that? It's pretty. Of course the shadow from the camera's going to be on it, but you getting what I'm throwing at you, right? It's so fluffy and so beautiful. I love it. It did have a line of colors in it, and I didn't like it. So I took my World's Smallest Blower and my new attachments that I got from Tracy Reed Designs Art, and used it on the inside part of the paint, like the middle line that wasn't blown out. And it made little wispies in the middle, and I love it. It is different. That's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And again, I appreciate all of you guys being here. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.